Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to learn a new sound. Gl. Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ons 'n nuwe klankie leer. Gl. Now repeat each word after me. Glow. Dit beteken gloei. Glide. Dit beteken sweef. Gloss. Glans. Glad. Dit beteken bly. Glitter. Blinkertjies. Glue. Ja, dit is gom. Glare. Glans. Glaze. Glasuur. Glove. Ja, dis 'n handskoen. Well done. Now repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woord na my. Glad. Glide. Glow. Glare. Glove. Glue. Glitter. Glass. Well done, everybody. Let us see how much you have learned today. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende speletjie kan regraai. Is jy gereed? Kom ons begin. Now look at each picture and find the right word that matches the picture. Is julle gereed? Kom ons begin. Are you ready? Here we go. Well done, everybody. You make me so proud. Baie mooi, maats. Ek is trots op julle. Now let us see how you do the next activity. Are you ready? Lees die woorde. Read the words. Well done, now let's see if you can read a bit faster. Kom ons kyk of jy vinniger kan lees. Well done everybody, now let us read the sentences. Kom ons lees die sinne. Lees elke sin na my. Please read each sentence after me. The gloss is pink. Here is the glue. Give me the glass. He likes to glide. Now read the sentences on your own. Let us read these sentences. On the hat is glitter. They are very glad. Look at the elephant glow. Here is my glove. Now read the sentences on your own. Well done everybody, you did a fantastic job. Julle het goed gewerk. Volgende keer gaan ons nog Engels leer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.